I honestly didn't really understand what I was kind of diving into, but I knew that I'd be around people that truly want to see me grow and better myself. And I'm all about like really connecting and doing business with people that care about people over profit. I don't think I would have gotten to this point for at least another 3 to 5 years, if that. And then I also wouldn't have the guidance. I wouldn't have the people around me to help me really build this message out in the way that I experienced in the incubator. Like this was absolutely just an amazing experience again, and I frankly can't say I would have done it anytime soon or done it nearly as quick if I hadn't been through this. The biggest struggle I had in my business right now was being able to take, my knowledge and like my deep level of understanding in finances and then being able to really explain it and convey it to somebody that doesn't have the background that I do. I feel like oftentimes with like business owners, like we have this great way of like serving our community and helping people out, but like actually translating that into a clear message can be very difficult. So yeah, this was extremely helpful for me in that way. They're absolutely amazing. These guys, I've been with them for the last couple of days and I can truly feel again that they care about the people that they're working with. And for me, that truly matters because I'm the type of business owner that I truly care about my clients and I really put a lot into them. And I can tell there's this huge amount of reciprocity there. So, I really feel like I've kind of built relationships for life. This is pretty awesome.